Hello, what's up mga idol at bossing ko? Maligayang pagbabalik sa aking munting channel. Have a blessed day everyone. Kumusta po kayong lahat? Saang mang sulok ng mundo? Sana po ay lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan. Mayroon na naman po tayong panibagong upload. Marami po akong sinama ngayon na pasok sa inyong mga budget, kaya panoorin nyo po ito hanggang sa dulo. Pero syempre, bago nating simulan, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, pakilike at subscribe naman po at isama mo na ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa mga video na i-upload ko. Marami pong salamat. Ito na po sila, nangunguna sa ating lineup. 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 SE 4x4 automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 82,000 kms, price 595,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Malinis ang pagkaputi nito, well maintained and well preserved unit, 5-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting. May 4-wheel drive option na to. Malakas sumatak, walang delay. Neat and clean ang interior. Maayos naman po ang upholstery. Lahat po naka all leather seats, 7-seater capacity. Foldable na rin ang third row nito kaya marami kayong may lalagay sa trunk space. Under the hood, powerful engine condition. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine na may 178 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque. Good running condition, ready for long drive. Presentable outside appearance, orig paint pa po yan. Alaga talaga to na first owner. Kita naman sa itsura ng mga ilaw. Nothing to fix naman ang unit, no issue. Kompleto ang mga papel, ready for transfer. Sasakyan mo na lang to. Next, 2006 Toyota Innova 2.0G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 90,000 kms, price 348,000. Location Las Piñas City. Another SUV na pasok sa budget, 7-seater capacity, naka dual airbag, power steering, all power, all mechanism are working well, naka dual ice cold aircon. Okay naman ang loob, maayos, naka fabric seats, wala namang mga punit ang mga upuan. Private use only, not bank repo. Guaranteed no engine issue, naka 2.0 gas engine na may 137 horsepower at 183 Nm of torque. No leaks, no overheat history. Outside appearance ito, presentable. Naka 16 inches alloy wheels at makakapal pa naman mga gulong. Nasa 85% trade line. Kompleto ang mga papel nito at naka-register to hanggang 2024. 2015 Honda HR-V 1.8V iVTEC automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 69,000 kms, price 628,000. Location Pasig City. Quality to na crossover, best buy unit, clean and intact interior, push start button, naka touchscreen head unit na rin to. Malamig ang aircon, may automatic climate control. Pristine condition, fresh in and out. All power buttons, gumagana po ito. Windows, doors, and mirrors. Maluwag ang trunk space nito. 100% hindi po ito nabaha. Under the hood, malinis po ang makina nito. Naka 1.8 liter gas engine na may 141 horsepower at 172 Nm of torque. No hidden defects. Available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. LTO verified. Kompleto ang mga papel. Sasakyan mo na lang to. 2013 Isuzu Cruiswind 2.5 XL manual transmission, diesel engine, mileage 90,000 kms, price 368,000. Location Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap dyan ng 9 to 10 seater capacity na pasok sa budget, well preserved unit. Kita naman sa itsura ng interior, fresh in and out. 5-speed manual transmission. Ideal din to pang family, pang travel. Maayos ang upholstery, naka all leather seats. Sa mga interesado, pwede nyo pong i-view ang unit para ma-check at ma-test drive nyo po. Check nyo po engine bay nito, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by. Malinis at garantisadong walang issue ang engine. Available din po ito sa financing, naka all-in down payment na po tayo dyan. Kung may iba pa kayong inquiry at para sa mabilis na transaksyon, andyan po sa taas yung Smart and WhatsApp account ko po para ma-assist ko po kayo. 2014 Toyota Wigo 1.0G automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 50,000 kms, price 348,000. Location Marilao, Bulacan. Sa naghahanap po dyan ng Toyota Wigo na below 350k ang budget, sariwa at maayos ang kondisyon ng unit na to. Naka touchscreen head unit, smooth and responsive ang transmission, wala pong delay sa shifting, all gauge are working. Check nyo po actual mileage na tampered. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito, may manual and booklet at may dalawang original key. Malinis din at maayos ang second row, sidings at saka mga upuan, maayos ang upholstery. Saktong laki lang po ang trunk space nito. Bagay na bagay ito sa mga naghahanap ng first car nila. Madaling i-parking, matipid sa gas. Naka-keyless entry na rin to. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Next, 2004 Toyota Corolla Altis 1.8G, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 98,000 km, price 238,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Eto, Toyota Corolla Altis, will maintain and well-preserved unit kahit 2004 model. Check nyo po interior, maayos. Malamig ang aircon, all power and all mechanism are working well. Naka-leather ang mga upuan, wala pang crack at solid ang under chassis, wala pong kalampag. Guaranteed no engine issue, no leaks, no overheat history, no talsik, no usok, no blow-by, naka-motolite battery na rin yan. Outside appearance, presentable paint. Sa mga interesado, pwede po kayo magdala ng sarili nyong mekaniko para ma-check nyo po ng actual ang unit. Pwede naman dito, only check, only test drive. 2009 Mitsubishi Montero Sport 2.5 GLS 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 120,000 km, price 588,000. Location, Marilao, Bulacan. Another Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Yung isa kanina kulay white, ito naman ngayon kulay black. Pagpilian nyo na lang. 5-speed, automatic transmission with Tiptronic shifting, 7-seater capacity at maayos po ang mga upuan. Naka-fabric seats, malinis, wala naman pong punit. Mga sidings, okay naman po. Under the hood, good running condition. Naka 2.5 liter diesel engine na may 175 horsepower at 350 Nm of torque. Malinis ang makina, no oil leakage, no overheat history. Kompleto po ang mga papel nito. Naka-registered po ito hanggang 2024. Overall appearance ng unit, makinis, stock original shiny paint. Mga gulong nito, makakapal pa naman, nasa 85% trade line. Nothing to fix ang unit na to, no issue. 1998 Toyota Corolla 1.3 XE Love Life, manual transmission, gas engine, mileage 160,000 km, price 128,000. Location, Las Piñas City. Sa naghahanap ng sedan na low budget lang, pwede mo i-check at i-consider to idol. Responsive transmission, walang delay, nakatutuned leather seats at maganda po ang mating neto. Kahit 1998 model to, maayos pa po ang mga pangilalim, wala pong tagas na yung isang makina. Good running condition ng engine. Presentable pa rin ang outside appearance nito, pero may mga minimal scratches lang siya na hindi talaga may iwasan. Yun lang pong issue, yung mga minimal scratches, pero yung engine wala pong problema, ready for long drive. Next, 2008 Nissan X-Trail 2.0X 4x2, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 100,000 km, price 318,000. Location, Marilao, Bulacan. Second generation po ito na Nissan X-Trail, first owned unit, all stock, all original, ice cold aircon with automatic climate control, clean and fresh, intact interior, maayos at maganda ang upholstery neto, naka-fabric seats, malinis, 5-seater capacity at maayos pang pangilalim nito, wala po itong kalampag. Check nyo po engine bay nito. Under the hood, naka 2.0 liter gas engine na may 142 horsepower at 210 Nm of torque. Mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line, naka 3M tent na rin yan. Outside appearance, flawless, nothing to fix, sasakyan mo na lang to, just gas and go. 2011 Subaru Forester 2.0 AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 100,000 km, price 398,000. Location, Marilao, Bulacan. Another quality na crossover sa naghahanap ng below 400k ang budget. Multi-function steering wheel, all buttons and all mechanism are working well. Malamig po ang aircon. Working pa po ang sunroof nito. Ang ganda po tingnan. Sariwa pa ang loob nito. Well maintained. Upuan, sidings at ceiling, malinis. Guaranteed no engine issue. Naka 2.0 liter gas engine na may 150 horsepower at 198 Nm of torque. Condition po ito, ready for long drive. Naka aftermarket roof rack pa po yan. Naka 3M tent at ang mga gulong nito makakapal pa, nasa 90% trade line. Outside appearance, makinis, stock original shiny paint. Next, 2020 Toyota Hilux Conquest 2.4G 4x2, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 21,000 km, price 1,288,000. Location, Pasig City. Gwapong-gwapo ang Hilux na to, good as new condition, multi-function steering wheel, push start with cruise control, naka Android touchscreen monitor with iOS with Bluetooth ready with auxiliary and navigation, 6-speed automatic transmission, may eco mode and sports mode, all gauge are working. Check nyo po actual mileage, na tampered, swabe manakbo, smooth and responsive, sariwa ang loob, mga upuan at sidings, naka all leather, 5-seater capacity at smooth po ang suspension nito, wala pong kalampag. Under the hood, naka 2.4 liter diesel engine na may 148 horsepower at 400 Nm of torque, superb quality engine engine, no issue. Naka 18 inches alloy wheels at wala po pong mga gutter marks. Mga gulong na to makakapal pa, nasa 85% trade line. Outside appearance, stock original shiny paint, very presentable. Wala pong gas-gas, walang din. 2013 Hyundai Grand Starex 2.5 VGT, automatic transmission, diesel engine, mileage 80,000 kms, price 595,000. Location Las Piñas City. All stock, all original, may back sensor, may high mounted stoplight, gumagana po lahat. 5-speed automatic transmission, may touchscreen monitor, may auxiliary input and Bluetooth ready, naka beige interior, naka all leather seats, may captain seat, excellent interior condition, 10-seater po ang capacity at marami pong aircon vents ang likod. Best buy unit pa to sa naghahanap ng Hyundai Starex. Check nyo po engine bay nito under the hood, naka 2.5 liter diesel engine na may 134 horsepower at 343 Nm of torque. Malinis ang makina, walang tagas ng langis, walang overheat history. Available po ito sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Naka all-in down payment na po ang computation na yan. Kung cash basis naman po kayo, negotiable upon viewing, at kung may existing unit po kayo, pwede nyo rin po dito i-trade in. Next, 2019 Subaru XB 2.0 IS EyeSight AWD, automatic transmission, gas engine, mileage 40,000 kms, price 990,000. Location Las Piñas City. Quality rin ang Subaru na to. Push start, multi-function steering wheel with cruise control, may anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution, naka all leather, 5-seater capacity, kasama rin po sa financing. Pa-check na lang po ng computation na nasa screen. Nothing to fix ang unit na to, good as new condition, sasakyan mo na lang, no issue. Alright, ayan na po lahat ang upload natin for today's video. Sana po may nakursonadahan kayo, at kung wala pa po dyan ang unit na kursonada nyo, just comment down below sa video at hahanapan ko po kayo. Huwag nyo pong kalimutan mga idol at bossing ko, pakiclick like and subscribe. Hanggang sa next upload, marami pong salamat. This is J Catskill Vlogs. Peace out!